Hey guys, it's Tristan from Manitoba Marketing here. I spoke with Leanne on Monday, and I'm just making this super quick video to show you guys a couple tips and tricks on what I think you can do to increase your presence on Google. Um, Lots of times, most businesses are just too busy to do this kind of stuff, but honestly, it's super easy. This video is purely educational. So do what you want with the information. But if you feel I have something to offer, then please reach back out to me, and we can go from there. So I'm going to cover three things in the video: content, backlinks, and citations. So to start with content, Google likes websites to have around 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now you guys don't have a website, so I've just got your Facebook page brought up here. But the reason they like to have that amount of words is because then Google can go and they can crawl your website looking for keywords to relate to search terms. Content, it's a lot about relevance and authority. The more relevant you are to people's searches, the more likely you're going to show up on their searches. Um, so Google is always looking for more words to deem your website relevant. And another thing you can do is with pictures and stuff on a website, you can save them as keywords as well, just to give Google another thing to look at and to make you relevant. Now, the second thing I'm going to go over is backlinks. So I use this tool here. It's called Ahrefs. It's a tool I pay for. There are tons of tools on the internet that you don't have to pay for, but they don't quite show as much information as this. But there's plenty of free backlink search tools and all that kind of stuff on Google. And keep in mind, this isn't always exactly accurate, but I've pulled up one of the bigger chiropractic centers here in Brandon, and as you can see, they've got 12 referring domains that give them 53 backlinks. That's not very hard to beat at all. 12 domains is not a lot. Most of the time, it's just a matter of putting your website into each of these domains, and just because they don't have 12, they just have 12 doesn't mean you have to stop at 13 or 15. You can go and you can get 50, and you can absolutely dominate them on Google. And all that's going to do is get people clicking on your website and giving you guys calls and booking up uh, your appointment books. So the next thing I'm going to go over is citations. And what a citation is basically just your business name, your address, and your phone number listed verbatim anywhere in a directory in Google, like Yellow Pages and Better Business Bureau, Yelp, any of those kind of things. So the more citations you have, the better. And the more citations you have, the higher you rank on this map pack. You can see here that this one is an ad. And then all of these are ranking naturally. So the more citations you have, the higher you rank on this. And as we can see here, you guys are actually doing pretty good. You've got 25 citations, and this Victoria Chiropractic has 31. So we would just go in, enter the ones that you guys are missing, and then go and find some more to, again, rank you higher than them. And that's the three things covered. So I'll go over them again. Just content. Google likes 1,500 to 2,000 words. The more the better, because it's only going to get you more relevant, and it's only going to make you appear higher during the searches. Backlinks, and keep in mind, I didn't say this before, but not all backlinks are made the same. Because you guys are a chiropractic center, a backlink from a restaurant or I don't know, any of those kind of not relevant backlinks, they're not going to be very strong for your website. So they're not going to offer you the same amount of strength for your website. So it's not going to do you any good. And then lastly is citations, so your business name, address, and phone number in any directory on Google. And those three things, super easy to do. Also, just a nice website that's clean and easy to read for people to visit and to kind of see what you guys offer. Those are just a few things, a few tips and tricks that I think you guys can do. If you feel I have anything to offer here, then please reach out to me. You have my number, I'll send my email, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, have yourself a good day.